creamy, garlicky, delicious. Today we're making creamy garlic green beans and white beans, a simple skillet packed with flavor. We're using fresh green beans, creamy cannellini beans, plenty of garlic, and a simple plant-based cream sauce. Cook the green beans until bright green and tender with a little bite. Then transfer them to a bowl and set aside. Now soften the onion, add the garlic, and stir gently for a moment to let that flavor bloom. Build bigger flavor into everyday meals with herbs and spices. Get your Flavor First guide, link below. Add plant milk, vegetable broth, nutritional yeast, thyme, and black pepper for a light, savory cream sauce. A quick slurry gives the sauce just enough body to coat everything without making it heavy. Using frozen green beans? That works too. Check the pinned comment for my tip for the best results. Add the green beans and white beans, then gently fold everything together until every bite is coated in that creamy garlic sauce. Creamy, garlicky, and made with everyday ingredients. The links for today's recipe, the Flavor First guide, and to join Yum's Kitchen are in the pinned comment. See you next time.